lot of people might tell you that making friends later in life is really difficult, but a couple in Orlando have come up with a way to change that. Spectrum News 13 anchor Eric Levy found out it almost started by accident, but the success is something they never imagined.
So who says social networking is just online?
The icebreaker tonight is, what's been your favorite OSN event?
Luis DeCoury and his wife Nicole certainly don't think it is. The couple made Orlando home in July of 2020.
We didn't know anyone. We didn't have family here. We didn't have friends here. So we actually got on a few apps, phone apps, and we made a small friend group.
But instead of having numerous group chats, a friend they eventually met decided to set up a Facebook group.
We are doing a lot of different events, from small to big.
Well, others started finding it, and Orlando Social Network was born.
It wasn't our intention, but that's what ended up happening.
It's blossomed to 200 members with another 2,000 followers. They do theme park events, trivia events, and bi-weekly dinners at area restaurants like on this evening at Brulando in Orlando. Sure, it's fun, but it's done something more.
It takes a lot because there's a lot of people who are nervous to meet other adults, who have social anxiety. So we hope that at some point the people who are following us, maybe who are listening to this, jump in on our Facebook group and we continue growing it.
I happened to move to Orlando in the midst of the pandemic, so that was not a great time to try to meet new people.
The events are fun for Molly Beach of Claremont, but it reduces her isolation.
I am a small business owner and I work remote, so this has really been one of my main ways to meet new people around the city.
Everyone's important. Everyone matters.
So, even though Orlando Social Network started on social media, they found a way to get away from technology. Eric Levy, Spectrum News 13, Orlando.
Orlando Social Network has a website, and we'll link you to it with this story that's posted on our website at mynews13.com.